Okay, so I'm going to show you how to turn a graphic that you have scanned into a vector graphic using Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. First thing you want to do is open it in Photoshop and make sure it is exactly how you want it. You can go in there with the brush tool if you need to make any little changes. If there's parts of it that are that you want to change, now is your chance. Also, you want to make sure it's saved as a JPG file, a JPEG file. If it's not, you do need to change that. So once you get it exactly how you want it, you go in there, you go File, Save As, and make sure it says JPEG. And make sure you give it a name, something that you'll remember. So let's save that. Okay, I've already saved mine, so I'm going to hit cancel there. And then we're going to go into Adobe Illustrator. So go to Adobe Illustrator. So go up to File and go New. And just press OK. It will give you a nice blank document. There we go. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a background with a bright color on it. And we're going to need that for later. So I'm just going to stick that in first. Let's get a color. Just going to stick any color is fine. Let's go with red. Now let's go in and place that JPEG that I made. So go File, Place. Find your JPEG. There's my JPEG. I'm going to hit Place. I'm going to shrink it down a little bit. So just grab the corner with my arrow tool, the black arrow tool. Shrink it down. And you can hold Shift to make sure it doesn't change shape at all. So stick that right there in the middle. Now we're going to turn it into a vector. So I'm going to go Object, Image Trace. Oh, sorry, make sure I've selected it. Object, Image Trace, Make and Expand. And it'll take a second there. Okay, now I am ready. I have changed it into a vector. If I zoom in on that, you can even see that is now a vector graphic. Okay. However, it is all grouped together, the black and the white, and we need to get rid of all of the white. So I'm going to click it. I'm going to go Object, Ungroup. So now I can go in there and select any individual piece and just on my keyboard hit delete and it will delete it out. So just need to go through there and select every piece. That's the bell, kids. Select every piece of white and delete them all out. Just doing that with the keyboard. And we're good to go. Now, if you notice on mine, there's a little bit of black around the edge there. That's just from the original scan. I can go in and delete that too. We don't want that there. Okay, now I'm ready. The last thing I do is I'm going to get rid of this colored block. Delete that out. All I should have left is the black, and it's ready to go into Tinkercad. So I'm going to go. So I'm going to go up here, go to File, and we're going to go Save As. And it's going to give me some options down there. We're going to do the last one, which is SVG. Make sure to give it a name. Okay, and hit Save. Press OK when you get there. And you're ready to go. You can take that SVG file and import it into Tinkercad. So go to Tinkercad and hit Import. All right, there you go.